Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up MacroRify Rox full guide. First, download the MacroRify Rox package and verify the checksum before opening the installer. Next, create a dedicated profile for automation tasks and enable developer mode in settings. Then connect your device via USB or Wi-Fi and grant permissions when prompted. Finally, reboot the app to finalize configuration and confirm connectivity in the status panel. Start by installing required dependencies and runtime libraries via your package manager or installer bundle. Enable accessibility and screen recording permissions so macros can interact with the system. Import or create your first macro and test it on a small task to confirm timing and coordinates. Adjust delays and retries to handle latency, and use descriptive names for macros to stay organized. Save backups of your profiles to avoid losing configurations. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy reading during testing breaks, consider the new Kindle Paperwhite for glare-free reading and long battery life. It fits easily in a bag and has waterproofing for poolside debugging. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals on accessories that pair with your workflow. Now let's get back to the video. When a macro fails, check logs and replay input slowly to find the exact failure point. Verify selectors, image matches, and window focus before assuming a script error. Use conditional steps and retry loops to improve reliability across different screen resolutions. Keep the app updated and test on a separate profile when trying risky edits. Share anonymized logs with support or community forums if you need help diagnosing persistent errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.